Hello, welcome to my channel, Survival Gear Backpack. So, I got something right here that I want to talk about and I want to show. And it's got to do with your patches. And it's these right here. I've had the patches, but I just got this. And you can put your patches on it, and then you got these right here. So if you wanted to, you can put them through your molly straps. Strap it down. I think that is awesome. Let's put this other side on too. Snap it on there. A couple of corners patches. So, as you can tell, it's got velcro on the back side, but you can, I guess you could put whatever you want on the back too, but that is awesome. I mean, look at that. That's perfect. If you want to put some patches on it, say you want to put your blood type on it, so people will know your blood type. Boom. Or just want to put the patches on it, and say you don't have this on it, and you want to decorate your backpack. So let's take this off, and I'm pretty sure that I could probably put it like that, but this is just for demonstrations. Put that patch there, and then you have that one, and you also got that one. I mean, that is pretty awesome. I like that. Just don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about that. And I got it from the TikTok shop.